When I cook, I like drink beer or wine or something else, whiskey. For me, it's some kind of meditation when I cook and I rest. Actually, I don't get drunk. I don't feel I'm drunk. I just I feel I'm resting when I drink and I cook. For me, cooking, it's not because of like I have to eat, I have to cook. No, for me it's meditation. I like to meditate with knife, spoon, bowl, frying pan. How is my shisha? Hookah. I'm making ready coal for hookah. It's not ready yet. Because coal should be white. All sides should be white. But you see, it's black. Not ready yet. What was the first dish cooked from potato in Europe? Boiled or roasted potatoes? I said baked. Yeah, I'm wrong because baked it's about like bread or buns. Roasted potatoes. Often eaten plain or with salt. Very likely the earliest from all consumption. In Spain, especially in Canary Islands, potatoes were quickly boiled and later combined with local sauces. This tradition eventually evolved into dishes while papas arragadas thought that specific style became established later. In Italy and other parts of Southern Europe, early reference also describe potatoes being cooked similarly to other root vegetables, boiled, sometimes fried in fat. Now I'm going to fry it in fat, oil.